guys, happy Friday. We are looking at May. It's May 1st. All right, today's review day. I hooked you guys up with your challenge questions. You only have 2 total questions for challenge questions. And then for the review, you'll have 4 review questions. Hopefully it's like, I've done this, this is easy. But we'll see. So what I did, as I have been doing, is I just made up 4 questions that like mirror your 4 questions. So you can watch me go over them and then rock them out and then watch the answer and then you're done. All right, here we go. Before I get started, it says, why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? I have no idea. You're gonna have to wait and figure it out. I don't know. It's just all that doesn't entice us. Stick around. We can just fast forward it. You could just fast forward it. I understand that. I do. And the jokes aren't funny anyways. Yeah, I get that. All right. Here we go. Pull this bad boy up. All right. First thing I always do whenever converting with the metric system, I make sure that I write my cheat sheet. King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. The by is for plug in your base. So that box on the top left, they all have a big L, which means they all have liters. Okay, so I'm going to put a big L, and I know a big L is attached to all these bad boys. So I'm going from 3.5 or 3 5/10 liters to milliliters. So right now I have liters, and I'm going to milliliters. So I'm going. I'm here at liters and I'm going to milliliters. So I'm going right 1, 2, 3. Right 3. Why does that help? Because check this out. Right 3. 1, 2, 3 shows to me that my answer is 3,500. It's just like multiplying by 10 to the 3rd power, because it takes 1,000 of these to make one of those. But you don't even need to know all that. All you need to know is, I was here, I'm going here, that's right 3 spots. Decimal's going right 3 spots. That's it. The second one there is 1,394 milliliters to liters. So I'm milliliters is right here. I'm going to liters. I'm going left 3. So it's 1,394 has an invisible decimal there, and I move the decimal left 3. 1, 2, 3. So that answer is 1 and 394 thousandths. Now I'm going from kiloliters to liters. So kiloliters to liters. I'm going right 1, 2, 3. Right 3. So I had 345, and I have the decimal because it's a whole number, so the decimal's there, and I'm moving it right 3, which is just going to force me to add 3 zeros. So it's 345,000. Now, that last question I added in, what is that measuring? If you said weight, you're wrong. If you said distance, you're wrong. It's liquid. Think liters. I remember, man, when I was younger, we loved 2 liters of Mountain Dew. We get Hungry Howie's pizza and 2 liters of Mountain Dew. So think of pop. All right. So now we're done with that box. Go to the next one here. All right. We are going kilometers, meters, centimeters, millimeters, meters. Cool. King Henry died by, and I'm going to put my M there, by drinking chocolate milk. Now I'm just going to put an MM there because everyone gets confused with that. So we're going, holy guacamole, we're going from kilometers to meters. So we're going to go right 3. Because from there to there is right 3. So let's write our 0.34, going right 3 turns it into 340. Cool. 3.45. I'm at meters and I'm going to centimeters. I'm at meters, I'm going to centimeters. A lot of people are going to want to think they're here because it's just an M. That's millimeters. So I'm at meters and I'm going to centimeters. I'm going 2 to the right. That answers 345 centimeters. And now 5.3. I'm at millimeters and I'm going to meters. I'm at millimeters, going to meters. I'm going to move left. 1, 2, 3. Left 3. Left 1, 2, 3. It turns into a teeny tiny 53 10,000ths. Done with that box. All right. You know what? I'm going to go down to the bottom right, and then we'll deal with bottom left at the end. All right. Same. Oh, sorry. Whoa. What is the box measuring? If you said distance, you're right. It's distance. Anything with meters is distance. All right. We're going from kilograms to grams. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Everything gets a gram attached to it. We're going from kilo to grams. From kilo to grams. We're going right. 1, 2, 3. 3. And it was 54.3. 1, 2, 3. Turns into 54,300. And now, right now you're like, oh, why did it stand up on its own? It was too busy to stand up. It was too exhausted to stand up on its own. But it's a bicycle. I just don't get it. It has to do something with the kickstand. It has to. Oh, it doesn't. All right. 23.4 grams to milligrams. Grams to milligrams. We're going right. 3. Right. 3. 23,400. Now, last but not least on this box, 3 3/10 grams is equal to 3,300. All right, so this one these are not my favorite kind. We want to take this and turn it into 3,300. So it's pushing a decimal right. 1, 2, 3. So if we started at grams, what pushes it right? 1, 2, 3. Oops. Milligrams. All right. All right. What's that measuring? Weight. Grams are. Okay. We have a wonderful looking house. We have 3 feet. We have 3.5 feet. We have 3.5 feet. We do not know what this one is. And we have inches. We want perimeter in feet. Okay. Get rid of inches then. 24 inches is how many feet? 12, 24. 2. Perfectly 2 feet. So I'm just going to turn that into a 2 and erase this. So how'd you know that? Because so I'm dividing it by 12 because that's the conversion. Every 12 inches is a foot, 24 inches is 2 feet. And if this is 2, this is equal to it. How do you know that? Because these are all right angles here. So that means that is a square. No, I lied. A rectangle. And a rectangle has the opposite side that is equal to it. Cool? All right. Add them up. Perimeter's adding them up. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I always double check my work. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And 14 faked. Cool? All right. Now, couldn't a bicycle stand up on its own? Simple. It's too tired. Yes. Next video, check your answers.